I welcome you, Ved Pandey in this live session of India English Bolega Abhiyan, a dream to change India. Really, it was my dream to speak this language, and you joined India English Bolega Abhiyan. Really, I'm very fortunate that you gave me this opportunity to teach you something about English language. Because when I started this journey, really, it was very difficult for me to speak two lines in English language. But today, because of me and my gurus, the blessing of my gurus, today, thousands of students they are able to talk in English language. You joined India English Bolega Abhiyan. You are learning. Still, you are learning. Then, first of all, I would like to ask you, please introduce yourself. After that, you tell everything.
Thank you, sir, for welcoming me. And that is, I'm very fortunate to join. I'm very feeling very blessed that I'm talking to you. You just make my life who I am right now. Just only because of you, I am able to speak English language. Started learning English, I was not able to like asking something question. Who are you? I don't know what is who are you. So slowly you just make me to understand how will we speak, how will we congratulate someone. If that English is very important, you just realize me that you have to focus each and every day. You should follow the guidance, and each and every day you gave us homework 5 to 10 words English speaking. And in as India English Bolega Abhiyan is providing four things, which is, if we will follow, we will also qualify uh, IELTS as well as TOEFL. That is a learning writing and listening as well as speaking. So these things were provided by you. So I am very feeling blessed that just only because of you, I am giving all credit to you. That just I will, and I will make your n- I will make your name one day. That I will do something in my life, and that is all credit goes to you.
Thank you, Ved Pandey. Thank you. Actually, you know that one teacher can't do anything if the student is not eager to do something extraordinary. Yes, only a mentor can just tell you this is the way you can go there, but it depends on you that really you want to do go there. Otherwise only just you are thinking, but I tell you, thinking it is the half process, taking action it is the full process.
Yes, yes,
Whenever you have any big goal, big dream, you should have, actually I tell you, never think little, you think bigger. But you prepare for the worst and hope for the best.
yes,
And whatever God has given you, always say thanks, because I know who is my creator, and he knows very well my son what he needs. Yeah. So never worry about anything that my goal is 5 crore, 10 crore, 20 crore. Never. You say I need more. But whatever you are giving, that is enough for me.
yes, yes,
Be patient, be happy, always say thanks to God, because your life is priceless. If you are alive, really, this body, I tell you, the price of this body is more than Indian economy, $5 trillion.
yes, yes,
This body price. The people say I am poor. People, they are innocent people. They say I am poor because of the note. Not we have created. Note hasn't created us. Yes, we have created the currency, dollar, rupees, ruble. Yeah, so actually we should not think about that money is everything. Money is something. It is important for surviving, for understanding, for serving our parents. And I tell you, our parents, they are our real God.
yes,
I teach you, you never teach any God, but you never just serve you any God, but you serve your parents. That's why in all the gods, you see all the gods, Ganeshai Nama, Om Ganeshai Nama. Why? At first, because Ganesh, he taught us that he just took round the parents. and it was the whole world for him.
Mm.
So Ganesha, he is the number one god. Why? Because he worshipped the parents first. Because you are only the breaking the coconut, killing the animals in front of the god. This is not worship. Worship, it means that you are working for humanity.
Yeah, yeah.
You are serving your parents. You are thinking for the people. They are needy. They need help. If you are working for them, really God will give you everything. I tell you the satisfaction that is as compared to the bundle of notes. That is amazing. Far from this.
Yes.
I tell you always work for the humanity. This is my goal, and really God has chosen me to teach this English language because English is an international language and you can teach all over the world that what is the humanity, what is the real education, what is the real God. People they go to here and there, this temple, that temple, but however they never get the peace and the success in their life. But the
Yes.
people they think my parents are my God. Always they are happy, they are satisfied because they know it very well. Actually, you think that scientifically your parents they have created you. Yeah,
Yes.
scientifically you see that. And who is the creator? Who is the God? According to who is the creator, who is the God? Suppose your
Mm.
parents they have created you, it means that they are your God.
Yes.
Whether they are beating you, they are abusing you, they are torturing you, they are manipulating you, however, whatever they are doing, that doesn't matter. It
Yeah.
matters that if you pay your life, serve your life, give your life for your parents, God will always bless you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And sir, whatever you have spoken, that is, sir, fantabulous, sir. And I always follow these things just only because of you. And I forgot to introduce myself. So should I introduce? So my name is Ved Pandey, and I am from Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh. I am 21-year old, and I am pursuing Bachelor of Education from Ramrati Nankubarma Mahavidyalaya, that is in Sultanpur. And my father's name is Mr. Balkis Pandey. His occupation is a teacher, and my mother's name is Sadhna Sukla. She is also a teacher, and my sister's name is Vanshika Pandey. She is also a teacher. And if we talk about me, I want to become a teacher as well in my life. I want to do something big for my country, for my parents, and for my religion. And my hobby is gardening. Whenever I got time, I used to plant trees. I used to give water to the plant, because I love to plant the trees, because I love greenery. That I thought greenery is very useful for our life. So, and my aim is to become a teacher, as I spoken earlier. So that's all about me.
God bless you, Ved Pandeyji, whatever your dreams, all dream will come true. Work hard and keep patience. If
Yes,
God has sent you in this earth, then there is a one purpose.
yes,
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 many people they want to become a doctor, but they are unable to become a doctor because God created them for becoming an engineer.
yes,
Yes. So never, if you don't get your target, never worry. Be happy. If you are alive, you can do anything in your life.
yes,
So always think that my ultimate target is serving my God, not
yes,
earning money, not achieving any position, name, fame, money. These are only for show off. But the main thing is peace, love, happiness.
yes, yes,
So
yes.
thank you for your valuable time. And I need to start the another class. So really, I just respect your time, and I hope one day you will become a great teacher, whatever your dream it is, and it will be fulfilled. So
Thank you,
thank
thank
you
you,
for
sir.
your valuable time.
Thank you, sir.